Google's Bard is now Gemini. What you need to know about Gemini. Hi guys, in this video, I'll show you what you need to know about Gemini and if it is better than ChatGPT and other AI tools out there. So let's get started. So if you didn't know, Google had an AI tool called Bard, and they now have changed it up or upgraded to Gemini, and there is also a Gemini Ultra as well, if you guys didn't know, which is like ChatGPT 4. It's the paid version of Gemini. So Gemini is really cool. It is linked to all the Google applications that you know, such as YouTube, Maps, and all the other good stuff as well. So, in order to really see which one is better, let's go ahead and ask it a few different questions, and I will be asking the same questions to ChatGPT as well. So, first thing, let's go ahead and ask it. So, this is the question that I asked: that the doctor yelled at the nurse because she was late. Who was late? It's a pretty common sentence. In this sentence, if we read it like this, we assume that the nurse is a female and she was late. So over here, as you can see, it says so right here, it's clear that the nurse was late, and the doctor's reaction indicates their perception of the nurse being the person who did not arrive on time. So this is what it is. It gives you a really broad answer, but if you go over here onto ChatGPT, it just says the nurse was late. It doesn't give you anything. So now let's go ahead and change it up a bit. Let's say instead of saying because she was late, let's go ahead and say because he was late. And over here, as you can see in this sentence, he, it refers to the doctor. So we're assuming the doctor is a he, and he is late. So the doctor was late and he yelled at the nurse. Very simple. Now let's go ahead and ask the exact same question to Gemini. So very similar answer to the first one, and the person who was late is the doctor. So based on the pronouns he, referring to the doctor. So yeah, really simple. But in my opinion, ChatGPT does it a little bit better, gives you a little bit simpler answer. Let's go ahead and ask other questions. So this is the answer. So I asked it to calculate the distance between the most populous cities in America, and it says it's Los Angeles and New York, and it also gives me a small little map so we can see it right here, and it says it's 2,775 miles, and it will take approximately 1 day and 17 hours to drive from New York to Los Angeles. So you can see it right here, and ChatGPT gives us a similar answer, but it also gives us, a little bit more. It's like to estimate the distance between, you can use the map, and it also says that it was last updated in January 2022. So it's not giving us real time data, but it works. And the price of Gemini is different as well. So if you come over here, let's take a look. So if we take a look, this is the price for ChatGPT, $20 per month, and for Gemini it is also around $20. So the PKR is like $20 for 2 months. So for now it is free for 2 months, and then it'll be this much. So it is very similar to the price range, but yeah. So mainly I would say that if you are using Google products, then of course Gemini is a little bit better, does give you a little bit of more information. But if you want to know a little bit more extensively, then of course this was a short video, not much to say. But if you want to know more about it, let me know in the comment sections down below, and I'll be sure to get back to you as soon as possible. So thank you guys for watching, and until next time, take care and goodbye.